wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best inverted umbrellas. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, you won't need to take your eyes from the skies with the Eralove Transparent, because as you may have surmised, it's clear for visibility. Plus it has a C-shaped handle that you can slip over your arm for hassle-free carrying. It comes with 8 reinforced ribs and a Velcro strap closure. However, it is on the more expensive side. At number 9, if you're worried about closing your umbrella and spilling water all over yourself, you could perhaps give this luwint folding hat a try, since it sits atop your head and produces hands-free shelter, or employ it on a cloudless day and stave off an annoying sunburn. A camouflage version is also available, and a cord lock keeps it in place, but it looks a little silly. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Bioworld Harry Potter opens faster than you can say Aloha Mora and displays a print of the Marauder's map, making it both fun and functional, perfect for staying dry while entering and exiting your vehicle, or strolling about Diagon Alley in a drizzle. This one's for the fan who has everything, and reads Mischief Managed on the exterior. It's not too big nor too small. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inverted umbrellas, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, although the G4 Golf doesn't invert, it provides you with the gust protection of those that do, at a larger size than is generally offered. In fact, if you wanted to, you'd probably be able to fit 2 people under its roomy 62-inch canopy. It's made from a mold-resistant pongee material and unfurls quickly, but it seems heavy to some. Moving up our list to number 6. It might be strange to think of a brolly as feature-laden, but the Travelese Self-Standing could claim such a description with little trouble. That's because it gives you just about every bell and whistle you could ask for, right down to the reflective edge strips. It comes with a carrying case and is made with a hard-wearing impermeable fabric. However, it's only available in one color. Halfway up our list at number 5. Most models when folded are quite long, but not the fidus windproof. With a mere 11-inch length in its fully closed position, it can fit into a briefcase or spacious handbag with little trouble, especially if stowed in the included sleeve. This makes a good gift for the frequent traveler and weighs less than a pound, but it's a little hard to open and close. At number 4, the Owen Kyne double layer gets most of its strength from a stainless steel frame, which enables it to function well in the kind of weather you'd just as soon not be stuck in. You could also use it for sun protection, as it does a fine job of shielding against UV rays. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and available in plain black or bright colors. However, there are some issues with the handle coming off. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The shaft of the totes umbrella will stay just where you need it, in your hand, since unlike some options, it's got a rubber coating to prevent a slippery grip. Combined with the Easy Auto Close feature, this creates a bumper chute that's a breeze to operate. Droplets run right off, and it's got an ample 47-inch canopy. It's available in fun and charming prints. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inverted umbrellas, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you won't have to cast about looking for somewhere to lean the repel reverse, since when it's collapsed it can stand on its own. Then after you open it, it feels strong enough to take on gusts that would shake up less sturdy versions. It features a lifetime replacement promise, a Teflon coating that keeps you dry, and a wide coverage area. And taking the top spot on our list, it's not just the rain a sturdy model has to withstand, but the wind as well, a task that this sharpty upside down is up to, thanks to 6 robust carbon fiber ribs. And because it comes in over 20 eye-catching designs, you won't have to sacrifice your style. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, and it resists rust nicely. It's not terribly expensive either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inverted umbrellas, or simply click beneath this video.